Hey everyone, the following video is going to demonstrate upgrading the VCF Operations console from 9.0.0 over to 9.0.1. And as a prerequisite to this, I am going to walk through a couple of things that took place prior. So if we come over to the homepage of VCF Operations here, we're going to go to Fleet Management Lifecycle. And there is a appliance that still runs in the background, and this is the successor to the ARIA Suite Lifecycle Manager appliance. That's called the VCF Operations Fleet Manager. Now that fleet appliance has already been upgraded to 9.0.1 and patches have been applied. So I'm not going to be going through that, but it's important that you're aware of that. Another item as a prerequisite is binary management. So depending on how you're connected, I'm connected online right here. So under the upgrade binary, I've already downloaded the operations binary so that when I just choose to kick off the upgrade, it will be in there. It will be available in the repo. And of course, we'll be monitoring our tasks here. So if we come over to components, the first step, similar to life cycling in the SDDC manager, we're going to plan the upgrade. And sorry if that's cut a little bit, but we're going to click plan upgrade here in the corner. You can see our versions. Operations is at 9.0. Logs and brokers already deployed at 9.01. Those were deployed brand new, but operations is still at 9. So let's go manage. We'll do plan upgrade, sorry. And then we'll change operations from 9.0 to 9.01, create a plan. And now you can see it's now telling us pending upgrade. So we'll click upgrade here. We've got some warnings here regarding licensing and letting us know that the UI will not be accessible because it is upgrading the sole control plane for everything. And I've already done an inventory sync previously, so I'm not going to go through that. But we'll click proceed here. We've got the repo. This is going to be a pre-upgrade assessment that is going to run. I will pause the video during this time, and this assessment will allow us to download and review via HTML. We can also save and exit and return whenever we're done. So we'll do run assessment here. All right, so our assessment completed. We do have to agree to the assessment. This is not something that you can skip. I will go ahead and download the report and something to review later. So we'll click next here. We're going to take a snapshot and we can select to retain the snapshot, or the automation here will delete the snapshot after a successful upgrade. So I will go ahead and take it. And by the way, this I'm almost certain is a cold snapshot. It will power off the appliances so that it can take the snapshot and then power them back on to resume the upgrade. We'll jump over and run the pre-check. All right. Our pre-check all went through successfully. This is great. And you could see, just to get an understanding, what is it checking for. So finally, we will go next. And now, if in the event you're not ready to do this, you can click save and exit. And whenever you are ready to resume, you can go to tasks, pending action. You can delete the request, or you can click on pending action. Should take you back to where you were last at. Click submit, and now we're off to the races here. So as you can see, you can kind of read these, and it's always helpful to review these just for troubleshooting. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and minimize those side pans. And then you can see that it's going to shut down the guest OS, and then it's going to create a node snapshot and then power the VM back on. So we'll be back once this is all completed. So just doing a brief check-in. Previously, the tasks are almost done. And I just logged into the admin interface and it was showing at 9.01. Looks like it's doing another update here, but I wanted to share the cloud proxies are probably going to be getting upgraded towards the very end. As you can see, that one's at 9.0. And let me do a quick refresh here and see if we get any luck, but it looks like it's reading the cluster status as it's doing, so we'll give it another minute. All right, Well, all 10 stages completed successfully. If we click on components, we are now in compliance. If we come over to our little admin here, our silhouette, and then go to about, we can see we're at 901. So this all looks good. And of course, let me refresh this once more. Our cloud proxy should be, there you go. Upgrade status says extracting. So it's in the middle of deploying, upgrading that additional collector appliance. So, and that is another VM that's in the vCenter, of course, which is actually right here. So it's in the middle of upgrading that one. Version's not there. So, but that right there, I hope was helpful. And if there's any questions, feel free to post them in there. Always refer to the Broadcom documentation, work with your account teams if needed, support, or any partner. Take care.